Okay, Ace, just breathe. It's only a new school, not a monster movie.
You'll be fine, honey. Just be kind, be brave, and don't forget your lunch.
I have to run to work, but I'm thinking about you all day.
I know, Mom. I'll study hard and make you proud. I wish Dad were here today, too.
He'd be proud of you, kiddo. Now go show that school who you are.
Why is every hallway louder than a zoo? Whoa! Please let me find my class before I get lost forever.
Class, this is Ace. He's new, so let's make him feel welcome.
Hi, everyone. My name is Ace, and I really like baseball and math. He sounds nice.
Yeah, but he looks super nervous. Ace, you can sit right there between Tom and Oliver.
Thank you. I'll try not to drop all my pencils on the floor. Hey, I'm Tom. If you need help, just ask me.
I'm Oliver. Try not to be weird, okay?
Nice to meet you guys. I'm still learning where everything is.
Don't worry. This school is confusing for everyone on day one. Here's my book.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to stare.
Whoa, that book is so old. Yeah, my family don't have much money. I use my brother's old books. I'm gonna sit over there for a minute. Dude, that's rude. It's okay. People do that sometimes. Well, I'm not people today. I'm staying right here. So, you like baseball? That's already a very good sign.
Really? Because baseball is my favorite thing in the world. Great. Now we can talk like normal humans and not awkward potatoes.
That might be the funniest thing I heard all morning. Come on, I'll show you the best part of this school.
Please tell me it's not the cafeteria meatloaf. Nope, it's that baseball field right there. Okay, now you're speaking my language. I play here after class almost every day. Me too at my old school, until we moved. Can you still throw okay with your hand?
Yeah, and I can still beat people with it too.
I like you already. Good, because I'm planning to be your friend for a long time. Catch this one.
Easy, don't insult me with that baby throw. Whoa, nice catch. Told ya, I'm not here to lose. You're good, like scary good. That's the nicest compliment I've had all week. No way, that ball is gone.
If it lands in the parking lot, we run.
We're gonna be an awesome team.
Yeah, like peanut butter and jelly, but louder.
Why are you hanging out with the new kid so much?
Because he's cool, and he can actually hit the ball. He's not that special. Then maybe you should try practicing more and talking less.
Tom, Ace, that double play was beautiful.
We've got good chemistry, Coach. I want to earn my place here.
Keep playing like that, and you will.
He looks skinny.
Yeah, but he plays better than all of us. Stop talking like that. His skinny body doesn't change who he is. Thanks, but you don't have to fight every battle for me.
This table is quiet, and nobody throws peas here. Honestly, that already makes it the VIP section.
You know, people can be dumb when they don't understand stuff. Yeah, but having one real friend still feels pretty great.
I need good grades and good baseball. I can't mess this up.
You're doing your best, sweetheart. That already matters. How was school today? Be honest, not just the brave version.
It was hard at first, but I made one really good friend.
Tomorrow I will have an important match. I will make you proud, Dad.
Ace got another hit.
That's my guy!
We did it again!
Told ya. Peanut butter and jelly!
With those two together, this team is on fire.
Yeah! Lucky us.
Everyone acts like Ace is some hero now. Well, he kind of wins all the games.
I've made a decision about team captain.
Finally, some good news.
Ace, you've earned it. Starting today, you're the new captain.
Me? Coach, I won't let you down. You replaced me with him?
I picked the player who leads best on and off the field.
This isn't over! That sounds super dramatic, man. Captain Ace, please enjoy this fancy chocolate milk. Wow, power really changes a person. Don't forget me when you become rich and famous.
Too late. I already bought us a fake castle in my head.
The scholarship committee meets next week.
Scholarship, huh? Now that sounds useful. I need to talk to you alone. That usually means trouble, but okay. You want that sports scholarship, right? Of course I do. I need it more than anything. My dad is on the scholarship board, so I can help you. Why would you help me after everything? Stop being friends with Tom, and the scholarship is yours. That's messed up, Oliver. Think about your mom working all day. Think about your future. Don't talk about my family like that.
I hate this. I really hate this. But what if this is the only chance I get?
Sorry, I can't make breakfast today. I'm late for the morning shift.
It's okay, Mom. I'll handle everything. If I win that scholarship, things could change for us. Maybe losing one friend is the price. Good news! They gave me extra fries!
Tom, maybe you shouldn't sit here today.
What? Why are you acting weird? I'm not acting weird. Just go sit somewhere else.
I said leave me alone! Hey!
My lunch! Did Ace just do that? Ace, what is wrong with you? Looks like your best buddy doesn't like you anymore. Yeah, maybe I'm tired of him. Ace, this isn't funny. Talk to me.
There's nothing to talk about.
I don't want to be your friend anymore. I need that scholarship. What do you mean? What scholarship?
This is the biggest game of the season. Let's just play.
You know that was cheating. The ref didn't see anything. Good job, Ace. You did exactly what I said.
What do you mean? Did you cheat to win? We won! That's what matters!
Not if you win the wrong way.
Yeah, keep dreaming big.
This has to be it. It has to be my turn.
Thank you all for coming to our scholarship ceremony. This year's Sports Excellence Scholarship goes to Oliver Grant.
What? No, that's not possible. You promised me. That was our deal.
Ace, you are the easiest kid I've ever tricked.
Did you really think I'd help you beat me?
I gave up my best friend for this.
So, you don't want to play with me to get that scholarship?
Yeah, but Oliver tricked me. I didn't mean to.
I'm really sorry about that, Tom.
I know you didn't mean to. I accept your apology.